Computer air cooling uses fans and heat sinks to dissipate heat from components like CPUs and GPUs. It's common and cost-effective. Other methods of air including are liquid cooling. Closed-loop systems have pre-filled and sealed units with a pump, water block, tubes, and radiator. Custom loops, enthusiasts create bespoke setups for better performance using pumps, reservoirs, tubes, and radiators. Phase change cooling uses refrigerants changing states for extreme cooling, common in extreme overclocking scenarios. Peltier cooling utilizes the Peltier effect to create a temperature difference, often combined with other methods. Passive cooling relies on natural heat dissipation without active fans, common in low-power or small form-factor systems. Oil cooling submerges components in a dielectric fluid like mineral oil, relying on external radiators to dissipate heat. Each cooling method has its pros and cons, and the choice depends on factors like performance needs, space constraints, and user preferences. Subscribe to be the first to see upcoming videos.